Hello, my beautiful friends. How are you all today? I'm fantastic. So, what you see in front of you is a tile. I believe it is 12, an 8 by 12. And what I'm doing here is I have some leftover resin from my previous video. So, I am going to just put down my colors, play around a little bit, and see what happens. So I'll name the colors as I go. I don't have much of each, which would be good to do a Dutch pour because you don't need much of each color, and everybody and their mother is doing them, so hey, why not, right? So my white is down already. That is a mixture of Resin Angel White and KS Ultra White Pigment Tint. The resin I'm using is the KS resin again. I'll mention it again because it's worth mentioning. 45-minute working time, $70 a gallon, free shipping. Check them out. I have a code below. I love it, and that will be my go-to resin from now on. So yeah, this first color here is the Fluorescent Pink by Just Resin. So I'm just gonna, I didn't want to go that way. I wanted to go over here. Oh well, too late now. So there's that color. I'm over an hour now with this resin. I worked on my previous video, and as you can see, hour, and it's still going strong. If you go to their website, all the information there, it's no VOCs, eco-friendly, low odor. I mean, I would compare it to StoneCoat or Art Resin. There's really not much odor to it at all. That was Purple Sapphire by Color Art. This one here is Teal Resin. I'm kind of just plopping it down. This next is Gold spray paint, and the brand is Montana Black. I'll show you the can here in a minute. So as I said, everybody has been doing the Dutch pours. There are people that have done it in resin. I know Doris at DF Designs. You could check out her channel. She has done a Dutch pour in resin a while ago, so you'd have to search back in her videos. Erica, Artist Till Death, you could check out her video. She just did one. The Dutch pour is the hot trend for the moment, until we discover something that we like more, and then it'll be on to the next thing. I don't mind trying them all out. I've done the Dutch pour in acrylic and had great success. But we'll see with this resin. So this is, the one I just put down before this one was Purple Rain. This is Peacock Dance, both by Rezin. This here is Amaryllis by Color Art. Now, what I did here, see, I wasn't paying attention because I'm just kind of playing around here with this piece. Kind of letting it go, if you know what I mean. it's better to pour in a concentrated puddle when you do a Dutch pour. This stringy stuff, I don't know. That may not be the best thing to do. That was, oh, I told you, Amaryllis. This is Glacier Ice by Color Art. Hands down, my opinion, Color Art has the most beautiful colors. You need these other colors that aren't shimmery to go with them. Because if you have just all shimmer, there's no place for the eyes to rest. So that's why I like to use the transparent paint, pastes and stuff like that. You just need that place for your eye to rest. Okay, so there's my puddle. Now, what you do is you surround that puddle with even more white, even though there's white already on the tile. But what you want to do is you want to be able to blow some of that white over. And if you didn't add this puddle, you would expose your tile or your canvas, whatever you're working on, by using the white that was there. So you have to have this extra white. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my heat gun. I'm going to put my attachment on it because I want this resin to go in a certain pattern. I want it to go up and over. And although I could do it without the attachment, I'm going to have to use a lot more heat and push to get it where I want. So this is wide. That's why I love this heat gun. If you're looking for a heat gun, go to my Amazon shop. This is under $30. You get 5 attachments, and I love it. One thing, if you plug it in for the first time and it smells like it's about to blow up, that's normal. It's just like a new toaster. You get that electrical smell. I wish somebody had told me that when I first got it because I thought I was going to bust into flames. All right, here we go. So I'm going to heat it first. Heat it up good. And I'm going to blow the color back over it, the white over it. Like so. And now I'm going to go up this way first, up straight. And then over this way. I'm going to come backwards like this. And over this way a little bit. That looks like a bunny rabbit upside down. Here's the head, there's the 2 ears. Well, that's interesting, to say the least. Let's try to push this out a little bit. And then the same right here. Whoops. Heat gun went in that time. All right, I think that's good. I'll tell you, I do some really crazy things sometime. I just took the hat because I knew I dipped it in the resin, the tip of the heat gun, and went to wipe it off on my plastic tablecloth. All right, so there you have it. I guess you guys would look at it this way. So there's my Dutchie. I think over here, oh, quiet, Jackson. I think that over here, I want to pull this off a little bit. Let me just get a straw quick. Gonna let it go over the side a little bit. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll give you a close-up. Let me just torch it really quick. All right. Sorry about the glare. There you go, Dutch pour and resin complete. On to the next. If you have any questions or comments or just want to say hi, leave them below in the description box. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell to get notifications of new videos. I have a PayPal link. I have an Amazon wish list if anybody is interested. I also have all the coupon codes listed below for the resin, the colors, for the color art colors, and I will list all the colors I used in this video in the description. I hope you all have an amazing day. Happy pouring!